JPC Vlogs, nandito po kami sa Catilinas Hall dito sa 8 Waves. So, meron tayong wedding event. So, gagawin natin ang lahat para maging masaya ang wedding ni Patrick and Camille. Samahan niyo ako sa aking vlog for today. Okay, ma'am, can you please stand up? Let me ask first your name. What's your name?
Mira.
Ma'am Mira, where are you from?
Kulianin Plaridel.
Kulianin Plaridel. Thank you so much for coming, ma'am. What is the title of song number 1?
Footloose.
Is that Footloose?
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
Come on! Sayawin niyo nga po! Come on! Woo! Footloose is correct! Where are you from? Kaingin. Ma'am, thank you so much for coming. And what is the title of song number 2?
Mambo number 5.
Mambo number 5. Is that right?
Mambo number 5.
Mambo number 5. Is that right? Yeah! Ma'am! Sayawin mo yan! Yeah, thank you so much. Hey, taga saan po?
Bustos.
Bustos. Anong title ng song na ito?
Wake me up.
Wake Me Up? Is that Wake Me Up? Aww. Napakadali nito. Pakinggan niyo lang po yung tugtog, yung kanta. Malalaman mo kung anong pamagat ng kantang ito. Music. What is the title? Sabi ko na kasi. Sinasabi mo sa akin hindi ka marunong. Sinasabi mo sa akin hindi ka magaling. Pero anong title? Shalala. Shalala is correct! Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y bagay sa'yo kahit maputi na ang buhok. Yeah! Ito! Big! Harap! Hey! And we have a winner! Congratulations! Okay! Hey! Come on, come on, come on!